This short video is on the Anglo-Saxon spoke shave, and here it is. As you can see, the spoke shave is quite a small device. It uses a very small amount of metal, whereas traditionally you'd use it like a draw knife and have longer forged arms on it, which obviously use a lot more iron or steel. There's a number of finds from Flixborough, from Coppergate in York, from Thwing, Bishopstone and Sutton Courtenay. They vary in size. This one's about 3 inches and you can find them up to 6 inches long. We presume they're set in a block not dissimilar to a modern style spoke shave, so that's the one we have rendered here. So we'll give it a go. Does actually work. As you can see, this has been set fine. Setting the tool can be difficult. You basically have to manipulate and file the wood until you get the desired angle for cutting. But it does give a nice smooth shave. The Anglo-Saxon spoke shave.